The serenity of this picturesque water system is hidden away in the centre of an urban jungle and invites many species to call this place their home. One species seems to be visiting this haven from the urban surrounds. Larus nova helende, more commonly known as the silver gull or just simply the seagull, is one of the most abundant seagulls in Australia and has successfully adapted to human urbanisation. These seagulls are enjoying a break from the hustle and bustle of the city. In this peaceful, safe, grassy area, the seagulls take the time to preen. Preening behaviour is extremely important for birds, especially water birds such as these. Feathers must be kept in optimal condition for both flying and waterproofing, with seagulls spending up to 15% of their day preening. Preening methods include running an oil secreted from a gland above their tail through feathers with their beak. This oil keeps the feathers water resistant and in a sleek, aerodynamic shape. While other birds are busy preening, this young seagull has found itself a puddle, spending its time defending this find. Because these seagulls are a social species and typically breed in large colonies, they have a collection of postures and calls they use to communicate. This juvenile is using posture to communicate to others to stay away from the puddle it has claimed as its territory. This posture is being used as a warning to this intruder to back away. Although seagulls have many natural food sources, they thrive around human populations by feeding on their waste, and although it is discouraged, the practice of feeding the birds. This group of seagulls are being fed by some visitors to the park. The dominant bird in the group will display aggressive warning behaviours to communicate with others its claim on the food. This battle for the limited supply of the luxurious human food is unnecessary for the bird's survival, but is becoming increasingly common with the coevolution of seagulls and humans. Although this competition may seem extreme for such a small reward, receiving this human food takes away from the requirements of the seagull to forage for food independently.